Ndeewo umuaka. Hello kids. This is your teacher Onye Nkuzi Yvonne. Today we're going to learn some Igbo words using a story about an egg. Are you ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Obi the egg. Obi Akwa. We're going to learn some words, but 5 of the words we'll learn today are Akwa, Akwa, egg, Ubi, Ubi, farm, Obi ụtọ, Obi ụtọ, happy, ikuku, ikuku, wind, ihu ọchị, ihu ọchị, smile. Now for the story. Once upon a time, there was an egg, Akwa, named Obi. Obi lived in a big farm, Ubi. He was very happy, Obi ụtọ, and always smiling. One day, otu ụbọchị, the wind, ikuku, blew. Obi rolled, kpọlere, on the table, ndokwasị. Ewo, gbado anya. Oh no, be careful, said the farmer. But it was too late. Obi fell, dara, to the ground, ala. Crack! Obi broke, kụwara. And the yolk, abụbọ, was outside. Abụbọ, the yolk, was bright, egbuke, like the sun, anwụ. Obi was surprised, but still smiling, ihu ọchị. Now I'm a happy breakfast, nri ụtụtụ, laughed Obi. So, no matter what happened, Obi was always a cheerful egg. Obi the egg, Obi Akwa. So kids, today we've learned a lot of Igbo words. And some of these words are Akwa, egg, Akwa, egg, Ubi, farm, Ubi, farm, Obi ụtọ, happy, Obi ụtọ, happy, ikuku, wind, ikuku, wind, ihu ọchị, smile. Well done kids, unu anwaka. See you in the next video.